In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign Tooltips to help signers complete forms 10 times faster. This process might sound a bit technical at first, but I'll walk you through each step to make it as easy and effective as possible. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to go to the Docusign website. For those who aren't familiar, Docusign is a leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. It's a tool that's trusted by many for managing documents digitally. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is typically found at the top of the page, and click on it. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to create one. If you do, simply enter your credentials and proceed. After logging in, navigate to the Docusign home. This is where you can manage, view, and create documents. It might feel like you're stepping into a digital office with a lot of tabs and options, but don't worry, we'll focus on what's necessary. Once you're on the home page, you need to select a template. Templates in Docusign are akin to pre-designed documents that you can use repeatedly, which is a massive time saver if you deal with similar documents regularly. Now that you've got your template, it's time to add details. Think of this step as customizing your document with all the necessary information before you send it out. Be sure to double check everything since accuracy is key in document management. Once you've added all the details, you'll want to click on Next. This is your signal to Docusign that you're ready to proceed to the next stage in setting up your document. When the next page loads, you'll see several options. Look for the attachment button and click on it. This feature allows you to attach additional files or documents that might be needed alongside the main document, ensuring all necessary information is available to the signer. After that, we come to a part that can significantly enhance how efficiently your documents are completed, the tooltip. Find the tooltip button and click on it. Tooltips are little helpful hints or notes which can provide additional information to your signers as they fill out the forms. They act as virtual guides, providing instant clarity on fields that might be confusing or unfamiliar. By using tooltips, you not only speed up the process but also minimize errors and misunderstandings. And that's it! By following these steps, you'll be able to make the most out of Docusign Tooltips, streamlining the process for everyone involved. Keep practicing, and soon enough you'll be managing electronic documents like a pro. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making digital document management seamless and efficient.